you're a keen DIYer who tackles messy plumbing jobs, then you'll know all about dirty water and wet floors. So what do you need to get rid of all those water spillages quickly and efficiently? The Krcher WD5 Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner is perfect for tough jobs that your everyday vacuum just can't cope with. A powerful 1100 watt motor delivers plenty of suction power, while a sturdy 25 litre container means you have enough capacity to store even the largest of spills. The 3-in-1 carrying handle means it's easy and quick to transport from job to job around your home. We've all been ready to tackle a new tap installation but have forgotten to turn off the water supply. Or even worse, the stopcock won't budge and we have to be ready for a lot of water. But don't panic. This is where the Krcher Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner really comes into its own. The floor nozzle switches easily from dry to wet pickup, and there's plenty of capacity to store the spillage, saving you from a DIY disaster. But it's not all big spills. Small spills still need to be dealt with as well. If you're fitting a new sink, you're going to need to play with some pipe work. Switching off the water won't save you completely, but having your WD close to hand will save you a lot of mess. Water seepage is going to happen when you cut a pipe and will probably leak into hard to reach places. But the WD will vacuum up the water straight away. Whatever water woes you encounter, the Krcher Wet and Dry Vacuum range has the suction power and all the tools you need to keep your floors dry and water free.